Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Rabbit R1, a game-changing AI assistant that's redefining how we interact with technology. This little device, with its sleek retro-futuristic design and vibrant look-to-range color, is packed with features that make it your ultimate sidekick for work, travel, creativity, and everyday life. Stick around, because I'm going to walk you through what makes the R1 so special, how it works, and why it's worth your attention, all in under $200 with no subscription fees. First, let's talk about what the R1 is. It's a voice-activated AI device powered by RabbitOS, designed to answer your questions, perform tasks, and even understand your surroundings using a 360-degree rotating camera. Imagine having a super smart assistant in your pocket that responds in natural language, remembers your preferences, and gets better over time. Whether you're asking for the weather, translating a foreign menu, or generating a stylized photo, the R1 has you covered. It's like having a personal genie, but instead of a lamp, you get a compact, award-winning design crafted with teenage engineering. Let's start with a voice interaction, because this is where the R1 shines. You just press and hold the push-to-talk button and ask anything in everyday language. Want to know the capital of Brazil? Just say, "Hey, what's the capital of Brazil?" and you'll get Brasilia in seconds. Need a reminder for your dentist appointment? Try, "Set a reminder for my dentist visit next Tuesday at 3 p.m. The R1 keeps up with follow-up questions too, so you can say, "Wait, what's the weather like there next week?" without repeating yourself. It's conversational, intuitive, and feels like chatting with a friend who knows everything. One of the coolest features is its multilingual support. If you're traveling or chatting with someone in another language, the R1 can translate on the fly. Hold the button and say, "Translate, can you recommend a good restaurant?" into Italian, and you'll get "Puoi consigliarmi un buon ristorante?" instantly. It's perfect for navigating foreign cities, or even helping with language homework. The R1 supports multiple languages, making it a must-have for globetrotters or anyone who loves connecting across cultures. Now, let's talk about that 360-degree camera. It's a total game changer. Point it at anything, and the R1 can analyze what it sees. Imagine you're hiking and spot a flower. Just aim the camera and ask, "What kind of flower is this? And does it need much sunlight?" The R1 will identify it and give you care tips. Or maybe you're shopping and see a gadget. Ask, "What's the make and price of this 3D printer?" and it'll pull up the details. You can even use the camera for translations, like pointing at a Spanish sign and saying, "What does this say in English?" It's like having a visual search engine in your hand. The R1's magic camera takes things up a notch with generative AI. Snap a photo, and you can customize it with voice commands. Want your selfie to look like a Van Gogh painting? Just say, "Turn this photo into a Van Gogh-style artwork." Your images are stored in the Rabbit Hole Journal, a cloud-based portal where you can access them later by saying, "Show me my magic gallery." It's perfect for creators, influencers, or anyone who loves playing with visuals. For those of you who work or study, the R1 is a productivity powerhouse. You can record meetings, lectures, or random thoughts with unlimited audio samples. These are transcribed and summarized in the Rabbit Hole portal, so you can revisit key points without scrubbing through hours of audio. Imagine recording a team brainstorming session and later asking, "What were the main ideas from my meeting?" The R1 will give you a concise summary. It's a lifesaver for students, professionals, or anyone juggling multiple projects. The R1 also integrates with apps like Spotify or Apple Music. Connect your account to the Rabbit Hole portal and you can say, "Play my workout playlist," or "Find a chill jazz track." The Large Action Model, or LAM, lets the R1 navigate websites or perform digital tasks for you. Need to check flight prices? Just say, "Find me the cheapest flights to Paris next month," and it'll handle the search. It's like having a virtual assistant that's always one step ahead. What makes the R1 feel personal is its memory system. It learns from your interactions, preferences, and journal history. Think conversations, notes, photos, and recordings. Over time, it tailors responses to suit you better. For example, if you're always asking for vegan recipes, it'll prioritize plant-based options. It's like the R1 grows with you, making every interaction more relevant and useful. If you're not a fan of voice commands, there's a terminal mode where you can type prompts instead. The R1 still responds with spoken answers, blending the best of both worlds. Plus, there's a fun reward system called Arcade. Every time you use the R1, you earn carrots to play a Gasupon game and unlock virtual accessories for your device. It's a quirky way to make using the R1 even more engaging. The design itself is a standout. Co-created with Teenage Engineering, the R1 won the the Best of the Best award for its ergonomic scroll wheel and compact form. At $199 with no subscriptions, it's a steal compared to other AI devices. Just keep in mind it's cloud-based, so you'll need Wi-Fi or a nano SIM for full functionality. The Rabbit OS gets regular updates, so the R1 keeps improving with new features and better performance. To get started, grab your R1, follow the quick start guide on Rabbit at Tech, and log into the Rabbit Hole portal to set up app integrations and explore your journal. Try simple prompts like, "What's a good dinner recipe with chicken?" or point the camera at something and ask, "What's this?" You'll be amazed at how quickly it becomes part of your routine. Now, a quick heads up, like any AI, the R1 isn't perfect. Always double-check critical info, like medical or financial advice. But for everyday tasks, creative projects, or travel, it's hard to beat. If you want to learn more, check out rabbit.tech for the full user guide or to snag your own R1. So, what do you think? Are you ready to try the Rabbit R1? Drop a comment below with your favorite feature or how you'd use it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.